Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to Plum Goodness's YouTube channel. I'm Kaur, a beauty and fashion content creator on Instagram and YouTube, and this girl loves everything beauty and makeup. So for today we're gonna play along Plum's latest launch, that's been their I Swear by matte eyeliners. They have introduced a range of 8 matte eyeliners in some beautiful shades, and today I'm gonna help you all create different looks. Even if you're a beginner, you can ace these looks and just experiment with your regular makeup routines with a colored eyeliner. So before we get down to the action, let's take a moment to admire these beauties. They come in a variety of 7 shades apart from black. These are 7 gorgeous, vibrant colors that are literally gonna be the game changer in your makeup routines. They're quick drying, give a beautiful matte finish, and only retail for rupees 375. Alrighty guys, let's start with doing something more fun and creative with these eyeliners, and then we'll move on to something more simpler and subtle. So I've zoomed you guys in really close to see everything in action, and the first shade I'm going to use from the liners range is going to be Everything Plum. Wing it out like that and take it back into my crease. I absolutely love how precisely I was able to draw that with literally just one swipe. Alright, so that looks pretty, and the next shade I'm going to take is this one. It's Cloud Pink. It's a beautiful baby pink liner shade. So here's the first graphic eyeliner look we ended up creating using Everything Plum and Cloud Pink. I absolutely love how artsy and fun and expressive this look is. So for the second look, I'm going to use these 2 shades of blue to complement my green outfit. This one right here is Aqua Wave and this one's Sky High. I'm just going like halfway my crease. Further gonna pick Aqua Wave. And that's the second creative graphic liner look for the day. This bold ombre graphic eyeliner is truly giving fierce, bossy vibes that I'm living for. Alrighty guys, so now that we have had our creative juices flowing, let's go on and create a couple of more simpler looks in ways that you guys can also include colored eyeliners that seem so intimidating in your daily makeup routines. Alrighty guys, so this is for all my soft girlies who love their basic monotone look, like who like to keep it subtle yet glam. I just know the perfect way to enhance your monochromatic makeup routines with the brown around matte liner. So for my girls who are scared of eyeliners or colors in general on the eyes, this is a really nice starter shade. This is literally the perfect fall winter eyeliner shade. Now that's an eyeliner look you can easily pull off even if you're afraid of colors or harsh lines. The brown eyeliner looks so soft and just accentuates the eyes in the most beautiful ways. And last but not the least, if you're also intimidated by color and like to keep your eye makeup rather simple, it's a one color that adds so much to your look without being too intimidating, okay? It has to be Midnight Blue. It's such a beautiful navy blue eyeliner and looks so subtle yet chic. So this is what Midnight Blue looks like. I'm going to show you even how as an absolute beginner you can do so many variations with this one. I'm going to start off with a basic thick eyeliner, and that's the first look you can create with this beautiful midnight blue eyeliner. Just a thick line across your lash band, no wing, nothing. Super beginner friendly and looks so pretty. It just enhances the roundness of your eyes and make them look really doll-like. And then another variation you can give to this very simple look is adding in a wing in there. And that's how easily you can level up your blue eyeliner look. And just like that, you have a dramatic wing liner going on. It just looks so powerful, doesn't it? And with this last variation, we're going to add a line parallel to the liner we have drawn in our crease, and it's just going to take this to a creative artsy level of graphic eyeliner. And just with that one extra line in the crease, I love how artsy this look has absolutely become. And with that, we come to an end to today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this today and learned a thing or two. If you happen to recreate any of these looks that I taught in today's video, do tag me in Plum Goodness. Would love to see your creations. And if you truly like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Plum Goodness's YouTube channel for more such educational videos. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, goodbye beauties.